Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Cash App transfer failed for your protection. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and verify the recipient and your amount. So re-enter your recipient cash tag and the amount. If that is not the case, you might want to simply go ahead and review your linked bank or debit card status. Make sure that it is on and ensure that your account is fully verified. So your name, your DOB, your SSN in the profile section to prove you are not a bot or fraudulent user. The other thing you might want to do is submit your identity verification. If you haven't already done that, make sure you go ahead and complete it. And if that also doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead into your menu and tap on support to access support chat to inquire about the log. And at the last, you can simply try to review your limits. So check daily and weekly transaction limit and make sure you haven't gone over it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.